Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to play games with your Google Assistant on your Android device. So for this guys, you don't need to download any extra game on your device to play games. So just launch your Google Assistant on your device. After launching, just you want to say, okay Google, play games.
Alright, which one would you like to try?
As you can see guys, the Google Assistant will suggest you lots of game here. As you can see, if you want to play any game, just tap on that game, the game will start it, as you can see. So from here guys, you can easily play games without installing them. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.